Raja Shankar with my assistant Mr. Adit. Today I am with new videos how to make RJ45 connector with clamping tools. So if you like this video, must share it, like it, and must watch my electronics tips channel. So I can come with in front of you with my new videos. In this way, we have to punch this connector properly in clamping tools. In this way, we have to punch it. Now, this connector is properly connected with cables, and in this way, we have to use in any LAN connectivity or switch, so we can get a proper connectivity. So you must like, subscribe these videos if you like it.